Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Evansville to near Brodhead to near Winslow, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Milton, Evansville, Clinton, Orfordville, Footville, Newark, Magnolia, Tiffany, Hanover, Avalon, Afton, Chaupier, Avon, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, Lyden, and Fuggs Hollow. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for south-central Wisconsin.